Nice and dance. Map the kind of the distinguished and this movie is doing. Account ID is mentioned properly. Write account ID with the distinguished name. So is it there right? Account ID. Yeah, I can't write it with distinguished name, it is my properly. And the type is string. Only the reconciliation field that is in there. The constellation. OK. And reconciliation field with custom property 26. So, whatever, that doesn't matter actually. Objects ready. Binary. OK. That is the proper way. The constellation failed. Custom property 26, custom property 26. Again, acting as objects ready. That's my name. This is, I believe, correct only. These custom property 26. It belongs to my account. Attribute. Okay, if I go right. I showed the account right. This is my account, my custom property 26. Basically here. I'm storing the objects right. Okay. First year. It is correct. No worries. And this is your account details, like name, username, comments. Right endpoint. Everything is correct. So what I believe if I scroll the log. So it is throwing error in parsing the JSON. Missing value at character 0 of @Grail's conversation. JSON.parse to wait. 3. It's not exactly giving which line there is coming. So if I go ahead, right. There is no error. Nothing. Okay, so here also. That means the JSON itself. It is not getting kicked. That is why the problem is coming. Okay, so that would get distinguished me by the CN equal to gen, my CN equal to users. Comma DC equal to comma DC equal to Saviynt. So this is the distinguished name. Okay, distinguished name is correct. There is no error or nothing else, okay. If I go back to the error. Enter is considered to be there from OK. OK. And find out your point value. Error. And that's a win group. We'll have some this exception. So here it is, somewhere throwing the exception. I'll check the exception. Okay, what? Where it is failing, then I'll come back to you. So maybe it will take some time to grab the error. Mostly something I'm missing in the JSON. I believe. See this inside of that provision tries it came to now only. So somewhere it will be inside. Get attribute using, inside. Get attribute using GYT or aside in method. OK. So this is side, your object GID there. It is causing some issue. After that, only it went and it failed. So connection, it is getting Active Directory right calling provisioning account access. OK with security system. It got. And it got the username, see John March and all the errors. Task also 985. Rate this task. I also found. After there will be. It failed when it went to inside the gate attributes using GYT or a Saudi method. So this is GYT inside has the problem, or else I have to pass it. Any other value maybe? So that's might be have problem.